Hi, I am Dr. H. Chaturvedi. I am Executive President of the Education Promotion Society for India, which is popularly known as EPSI. It is a national body representing a large number of universities and colleges from India. With the support of the Government of India, we have started a campaign which is a worldwide campaign to invite students from all continents of the world. We are inviting students from Africa, from Asia, from America, from Europe. When we are inviting students to pursue higher education in India, we want to assure them that India is one of the best destinations for pursuing your ambitions, for pursuing your career objectives. And India for last 150 years has been in modern education. We have universities and colleges offering undergraduate and postgraduate programs, doctoral programs in almost all disciplines. Engineering education, medical education, and also the social science education of India respected worldwide. Some of the world famed professors in economics, in engineering, in management, and in many other disciplines, they have been educated from India. You must have heard the name of Professor Amartya Sen, the Nobel laureate. He has been educated in India. So you will find that in Europe, in America, the deans of many reputed business schools and universities, they are from India. So we are inviting you to think about India as a destination. India is providing education to millions of people, mostly students from India as well as from SAARC countries. If you want to study the future of world economy, you have to go to China or India. You have to think about Asia, because the 21st century belongs to Asia. And in Asia, China and India, these are the two biggest emerging markets in the world. So if you have to think about your future, you should think that pursuing education in emerging economies will give you an advantage. There are other reasons also for pursuing studies, higher education in India. Reason which is very prominent is that India provides higher education with English as a medium. So for students who are coming from English speaking countries, or those who want to pursue higher education in English, they have to think India as a prime destination. China is also an alternative, but China is not 100% English speaking country. Thirdly, Indian people are very receptive. They like people coming from all parts of the world, because culturally India has welcomed people for last 1000 years from all parts of the world to come to India and pursue education. You must have heard the name of a university called Nalanda University. It was established about 1200 years ago, and people from all over the world, they used to come to pursue higher studies in Nalanda University. So I am inviting you, please think about India, and EPSI will support you. StudyInIndia.org is the right platform to know about Indian higher education institutions and universities. So hearty welcome to all those who want to pursue higher education in India.